Wala na po si Donut. Papaturok, matagal pa daw siya. Sabi niya daw, kapag aalis, sabi daw, aalis kayo. Sabi ko, sabi daw, pupunta na ako dito mamaya. Ha? Nagpapaturok po. Oho.
Strange chickens. Idea. Let's see. What are you doing? Do you want to draw with me? Of course. Much better. Much better. Oh no! The eggs have hatched. Let's go find them. Okay, Mommy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? I look like chicken. Oh no, Mommy. Who makes this mess? So tired. Say just kids. We need another plan. What should I do with these seeds? I can live here. He was just hungry. Who wants to jump on the trampoline? This chicken has a lot of energy. It's time to draw. I like it. Yeah. Great job. Hello. Chicken. Do you see my eggs? Mommy, let's go. I missed you so much.